Hello everyone, my name is Riya Jain and I am the head of iThrive Academy, where we are currently providing a certificate course in functional nutrition, and this video is just about it to make you understand about what this functional nutrition certification course actually entails. So as you can see, for the first time in India, iThrive Academy has come up with a certificate course in functional nutrition. Let us first see what actually functional nutrition is. So it's a novel branch of nutritional science which follows the root cause analysis approach. So what does this root cause analysis approach actually mean? So we do not treat any disease directly by taking into consideration the symptoms that are shown by our clients. We actually dig in deep and find out the causes behind these symptoms, because your body won't show any symptoms directly on its own. There is some trigger, there is always a root cause that makes your body show all the symptoms that you are going through and make you diseased. Second is it considers bio-individuality. So all the recommendations that are provided as part of functional nutritional therapy are bio-individual. We do not provide same nutritional or dietary approaches to everyone that comes to us with any disease. May it be a similar disease, but functional nutrition always follows a bio-individual approach. Next is it follows the food is medicine principle. Food is medicine principle is what is the crux of functional nutrition. So all the healing that we bring about for diseased condition is through using food as medicine. We do not prescribe any medications. We use food, we use the power of food to bring about healing and to provide a sustainable change, and that is what functional nutrition does, and that is what we actually teach you through this course also. And lastly, it considers all the various aspects of patient healing, meaning it's not just about food and nutrition, because food and nutrition can bring about 50 or 60% of the improvement. The rest 40% depends on how you're moving, how your movement is, depending upon your physical activity and exercise, how your stress patterns are, how you are surrounded by toxins around you. Okay, so that is what the last point means when it says that it considers various aspects of patient healing. So that is what basically what functional nutrition is all about, that is treating a disease and by addressing the root causes and bringing about reversal and healing of a lifestyle disease with the help of food, using food as medicine. The next is, so this is the course overview, and this is basically a step-by-step guide of how the course actually looks like. So the course entails 12 modules in totality, which are covered across 4 months duration. To give you a breakup of these 4 months also, the initial 3 months are total teaching, along with the practical experience in the form of assignments or tests, okay? And the last 15 days are totally dedicated to an internship, again an online internship, but we try and give you as much as practical experience as possible for you to work as a functional nutritionist. There are going to be 75 plus hours of live interactive sessions. So this course involves live interactive sessions. This is not a recorded one or a self-paced one wherein you are supposed to listen to lectures on your own. No, we conduct live lectures and you can ask your doubt then and there. There is a WhatsApp group in which you are added along with all the other students, and you can interact on that WhatsApp group, posting your doubts, and all the instructors would also be added there and they'll reach out to you to solve your doubts. There are going to be 6 classes weekly, meaning classes would be conducted on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, depending upon the time slot that you have chosen for the course. And 6 classes meaning 2 classes per day, that is 2 classes on Monday, Wednesday and Friday respectively. This makes up to 6 classes weekly. There is going to be a final evaluation soon after your teaching is done, followed by an online internship, which I already explained you about. And the most important part about this course is you have lifetime access to all the video recordings. And this is not it. We keep on upgrading the course, and we want all our alumni and past students to be updated with the new information that we keep on researching about. So we have a dedicated R&D department at iThrive, wherein there is ongoing research that is going on continuously, and the same upgrades we also include in our course material, and for that also we keep on informing our alumni so that they are also in touch with the latest updates. Next is let's start with understanding the modules one by one. So as I told you that the course entails 12 modules. The modules look something like this. We start with the first module on anatomy and physiology, because we don't want to directly jump on to teaching about what functional nutrition is. We first start with making you understand the basics. So we start with anatomy and physiology, where we cover different body functions, the different organ dysfunctions, about the special senses, and the different medical terminologies that are going to be used later on. The second module is on interpreting blood tests, which is the crux of what functional nutrition is. And when I told you that this particular nutritional science, it follows root cause analysis approach, it does this with the help of blood tests. So we interpret blood tests and find the root causes of the symptoms of the diseased condition that you might be suffering from. So interpreting blood tests is an important module where we cover, to start with, the levels of structural organization, how an organism is actually made, moving on to actually telling you about what blood is and what are the different components, explaining you about why blood chemistry analysis is actually important, and lastly interpreting, helping you interpret different blood panels for the different root causes that might come up when the parameters are deranged. The next module is on nutritional biochemistry. So this particular module is again really important to understand, and in terms of understanding how different nutrients are metabolized in your body. So that is what is the application of macro and micronutrient metabolism, and what actually happens when the biochemistry goes haywire. It is when all the diseased conditions arise. So again, this is an important module to be understood. The next module is on understanding nutrients. So nutrients are the basic of what nutrition is. You need to understand about the various nutrients there are in terms of their functions, deficiencies, and toxicities in regards to functional nutrition. There's an additional lecture that is dedicated entirely to understanding dietary supplements for different conditions. Again, dietary supplements are not medications. These are supplements which help in improving the nutritional content in your diet. Okay, so that is an entire lecture on dietary supplements. Next module is on human microbiome. So wherein you understand about the community of microorganisms that reside inside or on your body. This particular module is dedicated to the gut microbiome, that is the community of microorganisms that reside in your gut. So we start by introducing you to what gut microbiome actually is, the different factors that influence the microbiota, what are the impacts of the gut microbiome on the overall health, the different tools that can help improve your gut health, because if your gut is bad, all the diseases arise due to bad gut also. What tests can help you know about the problems that are going on in your gut. And lastly, there's a lecture on Virome 2, that is the community of different viruses that is around us. Next module is on health dysfunctions, wherein we make you understand about the different chronic lifestyle diseases, right from their meaning, the different root causes that can lead to these diseases, and the diagnostic tests that can help you understand about the presence of this disease. So we cover almost all of the major chronic lifestyle diseases, starting from digestive, reproductive, endocrinal, respiratory, neurological, pediatric, bone and joints, autoimmune, and liver and kidney diseases, along with cancer. The next module is on understanding food and functional nutrition therapy. So having understood about different chronic lifestyle diseases, it is now important to simultaneously understand what foods, different diets can help improve that particular diseased condition. So we cover the dietary guidelines and the functional nutrition therapy in the different conditions that I had just discussed about. We also throw some light on the different diets that there are: elimination diet, a keto diet, an intermittent fasting diet, because at some point of time you need to bring in these diets to help you improve the conditions, but again these cannot be followed for lifelong. This is just to make you understand about the different diets and their practical usage. There's an important point that is discussed in this module on how to read food labels and find out about the hidden toxins that might be present in food in the form of preservatives and additives, which add on to the toxic load in your body. And lastly, it's understanding a point on food politics, how different big food companies are coming up with different food products, calling them healthy but are actually loaded with a lot of toxins. So next module is understanding about stress and the stress management techniques. So before understanding the stress management techniques, we throw some light on understanding what stress is, what is the physiology of stress inside the body, and then actually understanding the strategies, different strategies for stress management. Next module, that is the module number 9, is on toxins and detox. It is really important to understand the impact of toxins on our body. We usually take them lightly, but we are surrounded by a hell lot of toxins. So that is why we start with what are the different toxins that we are exposed to and what are their impacts on our overall health. Next, making sense of detoxification process, how it goes on inside the body. So there are different phases to detoxification. If you understand those phases, then you would make sense by giving the different detox foods there are. These are not juices or cleanses that are done usually. It is by understanding the process inside the body and giving foods according to the different phases that brings about an effective detoxification, and that is what you are going to learn about in an evidence-based detox protocol. The 10th module is on understanding electromagnetic fields, which are also called as EMFs. So EMFs are those radiations that come out of the electronic gadgets around us. So understanding what EMFs are and their impacts on health. There is a legit disease named EMF hypersensitivity and how these actually cause damage in our body. And lastly, understanding the different mitigation strategies for overcoming the effects of EMFs. The next module is on coaching skills. So having learnt about what functional nutrition is, knowing about a certain thing and actually putting it across to your patients are two different things, right? Your coaching skills also should be improved because you're going to be practicing as functional nutritionists in future. This particular module teaches you about your clients, what are they going through, how can you practice mindfulness, what is the importance of tracking and identifying triggers. And this particular module also helps you understand the different business skills that there are which you can practice as a functional nutritionist. The last module is on functional movement. As I told you, food and nutrition can only bring about 60% of the improvement. The rest of it depends upon movement, stress patterns and your toxin exposure and many more. One of it is functional movement, wherein we explain you about how movement is different from exercise and the different aspects that are attached to physical activity and exercise. So having understood about the 12 modules that are included in the functional nutrition course, let us look at the different career opportunities. So you can work as a freelancer functional nutritionist. There are good chances that you can get hired as an in-house nutritionist at iThrive. We always have vacancies for nutritionists at iThrive, and who is better than our alumni? You can become an academician at iThrive Academy. That is, you can become an instructor at iThrive Academy. You can practice as a healthcare professional. If you are already a healthcare professional, you can bring in the interpreting blood test module in your practice and help your clients improve from root. And lastly, you can become iThrive Essential Supplement Affiliate Partner. So we have an entire department that is dedicated to making supplements. So you can become an affiliate partner there. So these are the various career opportunities after you graduate from iThrive's Functional Nutrition Certification course. These are our instructors. Mugdha Pradhan is the founder and CEO of iThrive. she takes the stress management module. Riya Jain, that is me, I take you through the human microbiome and health dysfunction and the EMF module. Kashish is a personal trainer who takes the functional movement module. Suyash Bhandari is our senior functional nutritionist at iThrive. He takes the nutrients, toxins and detox module. Padma Shri is our alumni and is a practicing dietitian. She takes the food and the functional nutrition therapy module. Avinash takes the coaching skills module. Riya Sugandhi is a functional nutritionist at iThrive. She takes the interpreting blood test module. Pankhuri Purnima, she's also our alumni and a functional nutritionist at iThrive. She takes the nutrients module. Dr. Kevin is a physiotherapist and takes you through the anatomy and physiology module. Manali is our research associate and also a functional nutritionist at iThrive. She teaches the nutritional biochemistry module. Aditya Sangore is again our alumni and is a supplement researcher who takes you through the toxins and detox module. So you can contact us if you want to join the certification course given by iThrive Academy and make the most of it. Thank you.